Here are some tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. 1. Define your niche. Identify a specific niche or topic for your channel. 2. Create high-quality content. Invest time in creating high-quality, engaging, and unique content. 3. Optimize video titles and thumbnails. Craft compelling and descriptive video titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Use SEO Best Practices. Optimize your video descriptions and tags with relevant keywords. 5. Create a custom channel banner. Make your channel visually appealing by creating a custom banner that represents your brand. 6. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists. This encourages viewers to watch more of your content, increasing your overall watch time.